We now have the first hands-on look at the OnePlus 13T, also known as the OnePlus 13 Mini. Recent reports suggest that OnePlus is planning to launch its next small-size flagship phone as early as next month. Although OnePlus hasn't officially announced the device yet, several sources have shared what they claim is the first image of the OnePlus 13T. Just a few days ago, a well-known leaker, Digital Chat Station, mentioned that OnePlus is aiming to launch the phone by the end of April. Earlier, the same leaker also reported that the OnePlus 13T would feature a 6.3-inch display and a massive 6,200 mAh battery. However, a newly leaked image of the OnePlus 13T suggests that it is not directly related to the Find X8s. While the Find X8s follows the design of other Find X8 series phones, the leaked image shows that the OnePlus 13T has a flat back with slightly curved edges, unlike the OnePlus 13. It also has a unique camera module, which is quite different from what OnePlus usually offers. The OnePlus 13T is expected to compete with Samsung's Galaxy S25 in terms of size and performance, as both devices will use the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. However, OnePlus might have an advantage in a few areas, such as faster 50-watt wireless charging and 80-watt wired charging. However, unlike the standard model, the OnePlus 13 Mini may feature a dual rear camera setup, likely omitting the telephoto lens. Additionally, it could come with an optical fingerprint sensor rather than the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor seen in the OnePlus 13. It's important to note that OnePlus has not officially confirmed any details about this compact smartphone. In a recent development, a mysterious smartphone, believed to be the OnePlus 13 Mini, has received 3C certification in China. Here's what we know so far. Alleged OnePlus 13 Mini 3C certification details. A new smartphone listed under Oppo's branding has appeared on the 3C certification website with the model number PKX110. While the certification doesn't confirm the phone's official name, well-known tipster Digital Chat Station on Weibo suggests that this device is the OnePlus 13T or OnePlus 13 Mini. The listing reveals that the phone will support 80-watt fast charging, aligning with previous leaks. Additionally, it will feature 5G connectivity. Aside from these details, the 3C certification doesn't disclose much else about the phone. However, its appearance suggests that the official launch could be coming soon. The information currently available is based on leaks and speculation, so it should be taken with caution. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.